Myself, Dr. Shreevani Upparpilli, MD in Preventive and Social Medicine, has designed a 6 days lifestyle disorders preventive Panchakarma package, which includes Abhyangam, Swedanam, Leech, Shirodhara, Katibasti, and a body detox enema. Who requires this Panchakarma? Yes, we all. Because of the challenging situation we are facing with work life, social life, family life, and all the other dimensions are leading to various lifestyle disorders: acidity, constipation, thyroid, diabetes, cancer, PCOD, skin problem, hair fall. This all occurs and leads to hormonal imbalance and a very stressful life. So, this Panchakarma package is very beneficial for you. Thank you.